Unfocused.
He's gonna fall.
Oh boy.
Can you get it?
Get it.
Get it.
Get it. Decisions. I'm out. I'm not doing it.
Oh, what you gonna do now?
Get it. Poor dying dog. Trying to live his last life. He's done.
Oh no, he's trying another way. He's so fat he can barely hop on. Oh.
Hey, get over there. I'm going for it this time, mateys. I'm doing it. What if we just scoot it closer? No, don't. Like just a little bit.
What will he do when he gets it? Like, he's a dog, he doesn't eat fruit.
It finds after all this work, he finds out it's an apple. Oh darn it! Why are we filming a dog?
Because he's...
Why are you stupid?
I don't know.
You've already tried that way. It's not going to work.
He's relentless.
Epilepsy.
Tonight, 1-877-800-DEATH. Call it